Hello guys, today I've got PROTRACK 3 and I'm going to show you how to change the battery. So, here in the box we are given this screwdriver. We need to use it. This is the Torx one and we need to use it. So, the first thing that we need to do is to power off our device, and we can do this in our application called Jump Track. Here, Altimeter's power off. Of course, now we are disconnected. We need to here tap power off, and now we are powered off. So now turn your altimeter upside down and take a look at these two screws. Unscrew both at the same time. What I mean, maybe not at the same time, but you know, you need to at first unscrew a little this one, and then a little this one. And just unscrew this way. I have got very bad lighting, sorry for that. I'm trying to do my best. And now this one. And we are almost finished here. Here and here. Remember not to scratch anything on the case. And now we have it here. So this is the first thing, and now here we've got our batteries, the first one and the second one. So you can just do something like this and take out both. Here we've got this red plastic cover, or maybe it's not plastic, and two batteries. So as you can see, these are not standard batteries. These batteries are wait a moment, CR2325, where we use normally 2323, I have no idea actually, 2032, something like that. So buy these batteries like two. You need to buy two of them. And now here, the first battery needs to be placed like this with the plus to the top, and the second one also like this with the plus to the top. If you don't know how to see that if this is plus, you will see this on the battery itself. How to make sure that you need to see both pluses at the top? Here. Because this is the shape of the battery, as you can see. And we need to do something like this. So let's assume that these are new batteries, and we need to put back again our plastic cover on to our device. It will be like this. And here now we need to screw this to this cover to our device back again. Sorry for the lags, I'm kind of tired today. So now we need to put it back in there. The best tactic is to place it without screws, and now put both screws here in these holes, which will be difficult for me because of my big fingers, but we'll manage to do this, so don't worry. Do not skip this video till the end, because apart from just unscrewing this and replacing the batteries, we have got one more thing. So this is not all. You need to, apart from that, perform a factory reset of your device. So now we are almost done. Remember to not use that much force. You need to do this delicately because this device is very small and delicate. Try not to damage these screws, try not to damage everything here until you see that you need to screw this until you see that you need to use some force to now. So as you can see, now we've got it all screwed here. We'll need to, apart from that, perform the factory reset. Use this tool and put it over here into this hole. You should hear the beeping sound when you do this. Like I do now. Now our factory, it's not a factory reset, but it's just a reset because here we've got no data lost. So that's how it works. Goodbye.